I inherited an antique typewriter from my grandfather, a relic that sat quietly in the corner of my apartment. One night, as I sat reading, the keys began clattering on their own. Intrigued and terrified, I watched as it typed out a story that mirrored my own life in uncanny detail, recounting moments only I knew. But then, the narrative diverged, depicting my untimely demise in a car accident. I dismissed it as a bizarre coincidence until, driving to work the next day, I found my brakes unresponsive. The car veered off the road, and a chilling realization dawned: the typewriter's tale was a warning, not a prediction. Desperate, I smashed the device to pieces, but its final message lingered in my mind: some stories cannot be unwritten. Now, each night, I hear the faint clatter of keys in my dreams, whispering unknown fates, and I live in perpetual dread of the